Hey guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, and have you ever thought that you can be able to watch YouTube in the watch? Not only you can watch YouTube from a dedicated app. But the funny thing is I can do all the things with YouTube, but I will try something different today. I will try to control the smart TV which I have with the help of Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and play videos with the help of the watch only, so that I don't need the remote in my TV or I don't need the phone to control my TV. I will watch videos with the YouTube app and see whether it is working with the watch and the TV. Definitely watch the video till the end, and if you are interested, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. Here is my Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and you can see I have turned on a video via the watch and it is playing on the TV. So let me show you the TV which I have. The TV is a 55-inch TV and you can see how thin the TV is, and we will be playing the video on this TV and absolutely it will be great. And if we can control it via the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, then obviously we don't need the remote of the TV also. We can play any video from the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 itself. Definitely you need to install the YouTube app for this, and the YouTube app is available for the watch. You can just go to my other video and check how I have installed the YouTube app. You can see the now bar is also showing the video which I am playing. I can just tap on this and go directly to the video, which is really great. So let's see how it works, and obviously I need to open the YouTube app for this. So here is the watch, and what I need to do is go to this option, which is the casting option, and you can see I have connected my TV. If you have not connected, then what you can do is I will just disconnect to show you guys how it works. And now it is disconnected, and if I just click on this option, you can see if you have turned on your TV and if you have opened YouTube, you will get this option where you can select the TV of yours to cast from your watch. I will select it, it will connect, and it has connected. Now I can search directly on the YouTube app or play from this watch. I will just search something and see whether it is working or not. I have just searched my channel and you can see my channel is showing in here, and if I just tap on any of the video here, will be playing on my TV. Obviously I have tapped on one video and it is loading the video. Make sure you have connected your watch to Wi-Fi or your phone which has a stable internet connection, and once it loads it will be surely playing on my TV. And there are some features also which you can control. So you can see here it is playing the video on my TV, and I have not touched the TV remote. It is playing from the watch itself, and obviously it is looking great on my TV, the video. Here you can see I can also do some controls. You don't need to keep the watch on all the time to watch it on the TV. Only when you want to change the video or change the controls, you need to just start the watch. Here you can fast forward just like a normal YouTube app. There are some other functions, so I have just fast forwarded, and here you can see the video starts playing from right back there. I can also increase and decrease the volume just like a normal Android phone. I can also turn on and off subtitles, obviously do all the stuff which you should be doing. So I can just switch to any other video also from here. You can see if I go to the settings, I can even change the other options like lock screen, and if I click on more, I will be getting all the YouTube options also. So really good way you can control the YouTube from the watch on your TV. You can see the picture in picture mode is also supported. I can just disable the player and it will stop playing any video, and again I need to select a video from the watch, which is really cool. All the search options and everything are working really well. So this is how you can control the TV from your watch, and it works really well as a remote. I hope you have liked this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.